Hey again. So we're going to see here the concept of computed columns. All right. So right now we have the usual tables, usual table, sorry, with our deals, and so this is only the raw data that's coming from HubSpot. Now, sometimes you're going to want to transform a little bit that data, make more sense of it. One example is, imagine you wanted to count the number of deals per deal owner, as we did before, per month. All right, so to do this, I would paste the unique values of the deal owners here, and then I would want the months of, June 2020, then July and August. Right, so how do I do this? You have actually several ways of doing it, but I'm going to show you one way. Okay, so first, what we're going to do is we're just going to change the format of the months and use something that will be convenient for us. So instead of June 2020, we'll write 2020_6. And for July 2020_7, since July is the seventh month of the year, and August 8th. All right. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add a column here that will return the months exactly under that specific format. So to add a column is very simple. You just write the name of the column right on the right of your table, of your headers, and that will automatically add an empty column. Right. And from here, you're going to write your formula to return exactly the same thing. So here we're going to press equal to start a formula. And first we want to return the year. So we have the function year, similarly to Excel Google Sheets, and the parameter will be the date of the deal. So here we could choose close date or create date. That doesn't matter. I'll just use the create date. That depends on exactly what you want to do. So if I stop here, you'll see that it will return only the year. All right, so we want also an underscore and the month number. So I'm just going to go and edit this, and I'll concatenate an underscore with the ampersand operator here, underscore surrounded by quote, and then I'll use the month formula to return the month number of the date. All right. So now I have this computed column with the months, and if I want to fill this dashboard now, I'll just have to write a COUNTIFs formula as we did before. So I'll just do it quickly. The first criteria will be on the deal owner, so I'll select the deal owner column here, then the cell here, then the month, and then the month column, and then the cell which contains the month. All right, then if I want to copy and paste that formula over its dashboard, I'll have to lock to fix my references. So if I don't do that, what happens when I copy and paste, you can see that the cell that was L2 with the 2000_6 has moved below. And now this formula doesn't make sense, so it will return an error. So instead of doing that, I want to fix the row. So I'll add a dollar right before the row number, so right before the 2. And then for the deal owner, I'll fix the column. Okay, so that works exactly the same way as Google Sheet or Excel, so I'm not spending too much time on it. And then I can just copy and paste, and I'll have my data for the whole dashboard. Now, I just want to see to show you another potential use case for computed column. You really have plenty of different uses. It really depends on your creativity and imagination and what you need. But something that we've seen a lot is price segments. So maybe I would want to see the number of deals with a large amount per deal owner, as opposed to smaller amounts. So here with a computed columns, maybe I can segment my amount with 2 or 3 different values. So let's say I want to segment the amount by any deal that's below 10,000, and on the other hand, deals that are above 10,000. So I'll call this amount segment, and then I'll use the if function for this. So if the amount is more than 10,000, I'll return the text more than 10,000. Else, I will return the text less than 10,000. Right, and now we'll have this column with only two values, more than 10,000, less than 10,000, as you can see here. And then I could have a similar dashboard where I would count the number of deals for each segment, which I won't do because I think you've understood how that works now. In the next video, we'll see how to combine different tables through the lookup function.